Hello friends, welcome to Designing and Fabrication. আজি আমি কথা পাতিম ৱেল্ডাৰৰ সিৰিজ 2 148 কোৱেশ্যনৰ পৰা আৰু আগৰ কোৱেশ্যনখিনিৰ কাৰণে আপুনি প্লেলিষ্ট চাই ল'ব পাৰিব। প্লেলিষ্টত গোটেই আগৰ ডিটেইলছ সিৰিজ 1 প্লাছ সিৰিজ 2 আগৰ ভিডিঅ'খিনিত সব কোৱেশ্যনছ দিয়া আছে। 148 কোৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে what is the angle of electrode tip by setting DCEN direct current electrode negative means straight polarity for the SS stainless steel welding by TIG welding process 50 degree 40 degree 45 degree 60 degree আমি normally TIG welding কৰোতে stainless steel তেতিয়া আমি কিমান ডিগ্ৰী এংগল সেট কৰো normally আমি 60 degree এংগল সেট কৰো so D is the correct answer 149 খুদিছে এই x portion to যেটো দেখাইছে এটো কি ডিফেক্ট এটো হৈছে lack of penetration বা incomplete penetration option D is the correct answer 150 কৈছে what is the source of heat in friction welding process friction welding ত heater যেটো source হয় এটো কৰ পৰা আহে এটো mechanical friction ৰ পৰা আহে so ইয়াত correct answer to হ'ব C 151 to কৈছে which of the following properties of the metal will not allow the application of friction welding ত কোনটো property allow কৰা নহয় the metals with high compressive strength the metals with low compressive strength metals with high tensile strength or metals with low carbon content তো ইয়াত correct answer to হ'ব B metals with low compressive strength normally friction welding ত low compressive strength metal কেতিয়াও allow কৰা নহয় কাৰণ friction welding ত after friction যেতিয়া heat generated হয় তেতিয়া এটো high compressive strength দৰকাৰ কাৰণ আমি high compress কৰা হয় so B is the correct answer 152 which welding process is effective for the nickel and titanium nickel আৰু titanium কাৰণে কোনটো welding ইয়াত best হয় arc welding TIG welding gas welding and MIG welding so ইয়াত correct answer হ'ব TIG welding tungsten inert gas welding 153 which of the welding process that maintains electric arc between non-consumable tungsten electrode and base metal so যেটো non-consumable tungsten electrode আৰু base metal মাজত যেটো arc maintain হয় হেতু হৈছে TIG tungsten inert gas 154 what is the name of the defect in which the weld metal did not melt with the base metal in TIG welding process TIG welding process যেতিয়া weld metal to base metal লগত melt নহয় তেতিয়া তাক কোৱা হয় lack of fusion C is the correct answer 155 what is the bore dia of ceramic nozzle to avoid the porosity while doing the TIG welding process small size large size correct size or too small size yeah correct answer to correct size C 156 how to avoid the burning fast of the tungsten in TIG welding process normally tungsten electrode to non consumable electrode হয় but যেতিয়া heat বেছি পাই যায় তেতিয়া কেতিয়াবা ই লাগি ধৰে base metal লগত বা কেতিয়াবা small portion of melt হ'ব ধৰে so এটো কাৰণে এটো avoid কৰিবলৈ normally আমি by using the DCEP direct current electrode positive use কৰা হয় 157 which part of the equipment the electron beam is direct and controlled in an electron beam welding process electron beam welding ত কোনটো পাৰ্টে electron beam খিনি control কৰে আৰু direct কৰে so ইয়াত correct answer to হ'ব 157 ৰ vacuum chamber আৰু full electron beam welding process to এটা vacuum chamber ৰ ভিতৰত হয় কাৰণ ইয়াত radiation form হয় so C is the correct answer 158 what devices are provided to reflect the light coming to the ends of ruby rod in laser beam welding ত ruby rod use কৰা হয় তাত কোনটো ডিভাইস ইউজ কৰা হয় যেটো মানে লাইটটো ৰিফ্লেক্ট কৰে laser tube reflecting mirror flash lamp shutter তো ইয়াত correct answer টো হ'ব B reflecting mirrors ৰ কাম এটোৱে যিখিনি laser beam খিনি ৰিফ্লেক্ট কৰি correct directionত আৰু correct positionত মানে কনসেন্ট্ৰেট কৰে correct ৰিফ্লেক্ট কৰি correct directionত আৰু through the lens correct positionত প্লেস কৰিব যাৰ ফলত সেই পোৰশনটো welded হয় heat maximum generate হয় আৰু welded হয় 159 question to was which gas is generally used in gas laser type welding কেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ gas use কৰা হয় normally দুটা টাইপৰ লেজাৰ আছে এটা তো solid laser যত ruby laser use কৰা হয় আৰু এটা gas laser আৰু gas laser normally CO2 use কৰা হয় so 159 ৰ correct answer to হ'ব carbon dioxide 160 কৈছে in which welding process the workpieces are melted and are joined by the narrow beam of light source electron beam welding laser beam welding plasma arc welding and micro plasma arc welding so ইয়াৰ correct answer to হ'ব B laser beam welding ত বহুত thin portion join কৰা হয় by able to narrow beam of light 161 which is adjusted in electron beam welding to eliminate the defect of the porosity, spot size, deflection, weld penetration, focal position and focus current. Normally electron beam welding ot jetu porosity defect hoy etu control koribole ami focal position ba focus current ami adjust koribo lage. So here D is the correct answer. 162 koise what is the approximate revolution of the rotating member in the friction welding process to affect the weld joint? So 162 correct answer to hobo 3000 rpm. 163 which type of the material friction welding is more suitable for joining? Similar metal, dissimilar metal, non-metal group or any metal flat type? So 163 correct answer to hobo dissimilar metal. Friction welding normally dissimilar metal use kora hoy, can be able to join. Friction welding of mild steel or stainless steel by alloy steel with copper or with stainless steel can able to join. So dissimilar metal we are join koribo pari, hekane 163 B is the correct answer. 164 which gas is inactive or deficient is active chemical properties in TIG welding? Argon, oxygen, hydrogen, acetylene. So 164 correct answer to hobo hydrogen. So hydrogen gas to inactive hoy or deficient is active in chemical properties in TIG welding. 165 question to question what is the purpose of inert gas used in TIG welding? Inert gas or kyo dorkar? Mainly inert gas to a melting pool to cover kore, shield form kore jate tat kono defect bahiror botaye jate tat defect koribo nware. Contaminations in the weld metal to protect the molten metal from the atmospheric contamination, to stabilize the arc, to get more spatters. So 165 correct answer to hobo B, to protect the molten metal from the atmospheric contamination. Next 166 question which gas is used as an inert gas in gas tungsten arc welding for the increased speed? Oxygen, helium, acetylene, hydrogen. So 166 correct answer to hobo hydrogen. 167 how much temperature gas tungsten arc welding process can produce? Kiman temperature produce koribo pare? Normally gas tungsten arc welding 3000 degree Fahrenheit produce koribo pare. So A is the correct answer. 168 what is the main source of heat to the workpiece in TIG welding? Cable current, by torch, by tube or by electrode? So 168 correct answer to hobo cable current. Main source of heat of workpiece hoise cable or current. Current jiman high hobo himane heat himan high hobo, jiman high current pass koribo himan besi heat generate hobo. 169 how heat affected zone is covered and protect from the atmospheric contamination in gas tungsten arc welding? Heat affected zone hoise jetu fusion zone or kinaro jetu zone hoy, fusion zone, then heat affected zone and then cooler zone. So jetu fusion zone or kinaro zone jot distortion to maximum hoy hetu zone to hoise heat affected zone. So hetu kenake protect kora hoy ba ki gasere protect kora hoy in gas tungsten arc welding? So 169 correct answer to hobo by argon gas or inert gas. 170 what is the use of the little hydrogen added to the argon for the welding of stainless steel in gas tungsten arc welding? Process heat, improves the heat transfer, improves the good welding and improves the metal property. যেটো অলপমান হাইড্ৰোজেন ইউজ কৰা হয় আৰ্গনৰ লগত গেছ টাংষ্টন আৰ্ক ৱেল্ডিঙত ষ্টেইনলেছ ষ্টিল ৱেল্ডিং কৰিবলৈ। এটোৰ মেইন কাৰণ কি? এটোৰ মেইন কাৰণ হৈছে টু ইম্প্ৰুভছ দি হিট ট্ৰান্সফাৰ। 171 কৈছে how the molten metal is shielded from the atmospheric contaminations as a blanket in gas tungsten arc welding? gas tungsten arc welding atmospheric contamination পৰা protect কৰিবলৈ কেনেকৈ মানে blanket form হয়? By using the inert gas, by using the fuel gas, by using the supportable gas or by using the fuel and supportable gas. So mainly আমি gas tungsten arc welding আমি inert gas use কৰো। So ইয়াত correct answer হ'ব A, by using inert gas. 172 how is the inert gas is directed to flow over the weld pool in TIG welding? TIG welding কেনেকৈ inert gas to flow কৰা হয়? Through the copper nozzle, through the brass nozzle, through ceramic nozzle or through metal nozzle? So yet correct answer to go through the ceramic nozzle. 173 what is the name of the part of TIG torch, tungsten inert gas welding torch, for holding the tungsten electrode? Collet, adapter, ceramic nozzle or electrode cap? So yet correct answer to hobo collet, collector through the tungsten electrode to hold kora hoy. 174 what is the purpose of HF unit, high frequency unit in tungsten inert gas welding? Normally TIG welding high frequency unit দৰকাৰ হয় টু ইনিশিয়েট দি আৰ্ক অৰ টু ষ্টাৰ্ট দি আৰ্ক টু প্ৰডিউচ দি AC to change AC to DC to produce the power supply to initiate the arc without touching the electrode on the base metal. So correct answer is D. 175. Which type of the cooling system is used in heavy duty welding operation? Air cool, oil cool, gas cool or water cooled? So correct answer is D, water cooled. Normally দুটা টাইপৰে আছে, air cool and oil cool. Oil cool and normally water cool. So water cool is mainly used for heavy duty welding operation. 176 is which electrode is used in TIG welding process? Zinc electrode, carbon electrode, tungsten and magnesium electrode. So correct answer is tungsten. 177. What is the device is used to show the volume of the inert gas allowed to go to the welding torch in TIG welding? So 177 correct answer to flow meter. Normally flow meter use kora hoy. A. 178. Which gas is chemically inactive with any metals in hot and cold condition in TIG welding? Argon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. So correct answer is argon because argon is a inert gas and inert gas is ketio active no hoy lagile etu hot condition hok ya cold condition hok. So here the correct answer is A. 179. Which type of the tungsten electrode is suitable for welding of stainless steel by TIG welding process with DC? Pure tungsten electrode, selenium tungsten electrode, thoriated tungsten electrode and zirconium tungsten electrode. Normally 4 প্ৰকাৰৰ tungsten electrode আছে, তাৰ ভিতৰত pure tungsten টো আৰু বাকি selenium tungsten electrode, zirconium tungsten electrode এইবিলাক সব AC কাৰণে ইউজ কৰা হয়। কেতিয়াবা pure tungsten DC তে ইউজ কৰে, বাট বাকি সব ম্যাক্সিমাম AC তে ইউজ হয়। Only the thoriated tungsten electrode যত 1 to 2% thorium present থাকে, so হেতুৱে অকল DC তে ইউজ হয়। So ইয়াত the correct answer is C, thoriated tungsten electrode. 180. What is the process of replacing the air in a pipe with argon gas that will not react with the root of the weld? Pouring, purging, pre-filling or pull weld? So yet correct answer to B, purging. 181. Which electrode is used to produce the arc in gas tungsten arc welding process? Mild steel electrode, cast iron electrode, tungsten electrode and stainless steel electrode. So yet correct answer to tungsten electrode. 182. Which will not present on the weld bead due to the use of the shielding gas in TIG welding process? Slack, overlap, undercut, penetration. So 182 correct answer to slack, কারণ TIG welding ত কোনো ফ্লাক্স না থাকে, এক্সটার্নালি ফ্লাক্স ইউজ করা নহয়, তাত ডাইরেক্টলি ইনার্ট গ্যাস ইউজ করা হয় প্রোটেকশনের কারণে। তো এক্সটার্নালি যেতিয়া কোনো ফ্লাক্স ইউজ করা নহয়, তো তাত কোনো স্ল্যাগ ফর্ম নহয়। So A is the correct answer. 183. Which welding process বা which processes can easily weld the thin metal? Thin metal কেনেকৈ weld কৰিব পাৰি easily? MIG welding, tungsten arc welding, submerged arc welding, manual metal arc welding. Normally ইয়াত correct answer to হ'ব tungsten arc welding. একমাত্ৰ tungsten arc welding দিয়ে ইয়াত thin sheet বহুত easily weld কৰিব পাৰি। So friends আজিলৈ ইমানে, বাকি কোৱেশ্চনখিনি নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আপলোড কৰিম। So লাইক কৰিব, শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব, সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। Thanks for watching.